Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to bulk create videos using Canva in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, search for the video template you want. Once you've found it, create three headings. Edit the text, its format, and transitions, or anything you like. Next, head over to the left side, scroll down, and find the bulk create option. Here, you can enter your data manually or by copying and pasting your topics. Also include the titles like topic, text 1, and text 2. Then click done. Here's the crucial part. We need to connect each piece of data. Right-click on the text and select Connect Data for each header. When you have finished connecting everything, click Continue and generate your designs. You'll see all your input data transformed into videos. Now, go to the upper right corner and click Share. Make sure to check Download Pages as separate files so each video downloads individually. Check your downloads, extract the files, and that's it. You've just created multiple videos in minutes. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.